Hey guys, what's up? So I'm gonna blow through this video pretty quickly. So branching, you can think of an HTML document as a tree. Elements branch out from the main trunk, the HTML tags. The first two big branches are head and body, and branches must multiply and become finer as you get to elements like divs, tables, and the text headers and paragraphs. Instructions: we've sketched a potential family tree out for you in the editor. Check the result tab. When you think you've wrapped your mind around the HTML tree, hit save and submit code. So here it is, blah, whatever. So save and submit code, way to go. Start next lesson. Parents, children, and siblings. If you think of the HTML tag as the trunk of the tree, you can think of its immediate branches, head and body, as its children. Both tags are children of HTML, and HTML is the parent element. Because they are both immediate children of HTML, that is, they are both only one element anyway, they are siblings. Just like a real family, elements have children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and so on, though we don't make this distinction with HTML. A child of an element, and all that child's children are children of the first man. Instructions. For those of you who think more wisely, there's a little diagram in the index.html tab to the right. Remember, an element is the child of every element wrapped around it, even if that element is several branches away. When you're ready, hit save and submit code. So here it is. Save and submit code. Way to go. Start next lesson. So, yeah, we're almost done with the episode. Swinging from branch to branch. Alright, now that you have an idea of how HTML documents are structured, it's time to see how good you are at navigating from branch to branch. Instructions. We've added some links in the editor to the right. On the CSS tab, target only the A's that are children of LIs. And set their text decoration to none. Oh no. So we have to do wait, I'm gonna delete line 3. We have to choose link tags that are only children of list item tags, and then text decoration to none there. And then change font family to cursive. Font family to cursive. Okay, good. Don't change the link. Don't change the link. That's not part of the unordered. That's not part of the unordered list. Save and submit code. Way to go. Start next lesson. Can you swing it? Wow. Great work. Let's try something a little more involved. Remember, you can reach an element that is child of another element like this. Where in this case, we'd be grabbing any P that is nested somewhere inside a div that is nested somewhere inside another div. If you want to grab direct children, that is, an element that is directly nested inside the element, with no elements in between, you can use the greater than symbol, like so. Wait, so, so you can use the, like so. This only grabs P's that are directly inside of div, so it won't grab any paragraphs that are, say, nested inside lists that are nested inside lists that are nested divs. Instructions. Make all P tags have a font family of Garamond. Do not use the universal selectors of this for this. There's a better way. See the hint for help. Make all P tags font family Garamond, and then make the introduction paragraph and the summary paragraph. So, introduction paragraph. So that's, and the summary paragraph. Where's the summary paragraph? Just I think it's body P, I think. Front weight bold. Front weight just makes it bold or anything like that. Yeah, like as you can see, that's bold. Wait, let me try. Never mind. Make the synopsis paragraph. Yeah, that's working. So it was in a div. Synopsis paragraph. Have the color hashtag 7ac5cd. Make the paragraphs in the unordered list. And have the color. Isn't this black technically? Hashtag 000 and the text decoration text. So this underlines the paragraph tags the paragraphs in the unordered list. So underline and then there. Save and submit code and what? Oh, inside LIs. Is it? So there. And done. See it to believe it. Excellent, you've got the hang of this, and you're starting to learn more about cascading. As we mentioned, certain selectors will override others if they have a greater specificity value. ULLIP is more specific CSS than just P. So when CSS sees tags that are both P tags and happen to be inside unordered list, it will apply the more specific styling ULLIP to the text inside the lists. There are two selectors that are even more specific than nested and selectors. So there are two selectors that are even more specific and nested selectors like the ones above. Classes and IDs. Check them out in the editor to the right. As you can see, there's like the class attribute and the ID attribute. They're pretty much like the same thing. Yeah. See how the classes and IDs alter the way the paragraph looks? As you can see, CSS overrides the P. Notice how the LIP CSS overrides the P CSS, and the class dot list item overrides the LIP CSS. Hit save and submit code to learn how to use these new selectors. Save and submit code, and yeah. So that's it for this episode. Please subscribe. Please like, and yeah, that's about it. That's it for this episode, and bye bye.